Hello, everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. So we're going to make a pumpkin today using Dollar Tree supplies. And I saw this, just some random person had posted it on a crafting group. And I was like, that is really cute. We're going to start with 3 of these silver trays that you can get from Dollar Tree. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the stem on it. And what I'm doing is I had these bags of wood stem pieces that I got at Dollar Tree. If you're new to my page or you're new to watch me crafting and you like what I'm doing, please make sure you follow me so you can see what it's easier for you to find me and see what I'm doing. And sprinkle my video if you like it. So I put just a little bit of E6000 on there, and I'm going to take just a little bit of hot glue and squeeze it on there, because the hot glue will hold it, for now, and the E6000 will hold it for long term, if that makes sense. So, see, I've just got it all gobbly-goo on there, and then I'm just sticking them together to make a longer stem, if y'all can see that. So, and then what I'm going to do is put this in the center of the back of this is going to be the center part of the pumpkin. And so I'm just going to glue the stem to the center of the back of it. So, and again, I'm going to use a little bit of E6000 because it forms like a permanent bond. And then put a little bit of, but it takes like 24 hours. So that's why I'm using a little bit of hot glue too. So I'm just going to hold it down for a couple minutes to hopefully get it to stay for now. Okay, I think that's on there pretty good for now. So there's our stem. And then we're going to just take some ribbon. And y'all, I got all these cute ribbons at Dollar Tree. I got some wider ones too, but for this I just wanted to use the skinny one. So I got to decide which one I'm going to use. I think I'm going to use let's see. I think I'll use these 3. So I've got like a kind of a gingham one that's orange and burlap looking, and then a pumpkin one, and then just like a rusty orange color. So I'm just gonna cut me a piece. Let's see. Off of each of these. Y'all know I just roll with it. I don't really ever have a plan. I mean, I do have a plan, but just a basic one. I never have a detailed plan in my head, and I just kind of go with the flow. Little leaves that I want to glue on here. Those. Oh, these are stuck together, and these are just little, I don't know what they call them, maple leaves from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to glue these on here. With a little bit of hot glue. I'm just running a bead of hot glue along the top here, and I'll stick these to it. See how easy that is? And then I'm going to take these pieces of ribbon that I just cut, and I'm just going to tie them around the stem. I just gathered all of them together, and I'm just going to tie them around here. Just like that. And then I think I'll take a couple more leaves and put them on here to cover up where the ribbon's at. Oh, that's pretty. And I'm just going to dovetail. I should have done this a while ago when I tied these on here, but I didn't. My ends of my ribbons, because I like them dovetailed. This is the center of our pumpkin. And then what I'm going to do, this is real simple, y'all, is, let me move all this stuff out of my way. I'm going to glue these two, the two other ones that I have, to the back, the center of the back of this one. Let me see if I can hold it up so I can show y'all what I'm doing. Do you see? And that's going to be the whole pumpkin. Oh, and I'm going to use some, like I did before, I'm going to use some E6000 to permanently bond it. And then with some, along with some hot glue. I saw a different version of this that somebody had posted on a crafting group, and I was like, that is too cute. Let me stand this up and make sure I've got it level. Okay. And let me put some glue, some hot glue under there. Okay. So just do one piece at a time and hold it down when you first glue it. Okay. Let me put some glue on here. And I'm using E6000 and hot glue, y'all. Let me stand this up so I make sure that they're even. And then I'm going to put some hot glue. I'm just going right under the edge with the hot glue. And I'm just going to hold this down like I did the other one. Y'all stick with me. This is going to be cute. You're going to want to make one of these because it's quick, it's cheap, and it's easy. And it's cute. Alright. So see, is that not adorable? And y'all know I have one last thing to do. I have to put a hang tag on it. And I'm just going to write, what am I going to write on here? Happy fall, y'all. With my Sharpie. There's the hang tag. I know it's backwards for y'all, but I think I'm just going to glue it on here because I don't really have anything to tie it around, so I'm just going to put a dot of glue right under here and put my, why isn't my glue coming out? And put my strips through it. Oh yeah, that's perfect. All right, y'all. Look, is that not cute? See how this would look. Just to be silly. Let's see where I would even want to put this. I think I'm going to put it right here on the center. Yep, I am. I'm just going to do it. A big old ugly spider on my pretty pumpkin. All right. So that's it, y'all. Isn't that cute? I want all y'all to make one of these and show me. Because this is super, super, super easy. Anybody can make this. And I made it, let's see, for probably about $4 in materials. Plus some hot glue and a hang tag. But that's it. I mean, for $4, you can't beat that. So, and make sure y'all sprinkle this. And I will see y'all later. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Love you.